In Lesson 7.3, we'll look at the example, what's the z? In this, we'll be finding the critical value. Using Table A or technology, find the critical value z star for a 95% confidence interval. Assume that the large counts condition is met. So if we're asked to find a z-score, we're going to start with the standard normal curve. And in that, we're told we're looking for the critical value for a 95% confidence interval. So when we draw the standard normal curve centered at 0, the area centered around 0 is going to be 95%. And we're going to try to find this critical value, this z-score here. So we need to know the tail probability. So the tail probability, or the area in each tail, is going to be the same because this curve is symmetric, if you remember. And so to determine that, we're going to take the remaining. If we have 95% in the center, that means 5% has to be split equally between the two tails, giving us 0.025 in each tail. That's the probability. So if we're going to use Table A, we need to search the body of that table for the area closest to 0.025. That gives us a z-score of negative 1.96. So that means that our actual z-star is negative 1.96 and positive 1.96. If you were to use technology, you'd have the same curve, okay, and you could just tell your calculator or using the app that the area to the left is 0.025, and remember, since this is the standard normal, you'd be using 0 and 1 for your mean and standard deviation respectively. If you'd like more practice finding the critical value, you can try exercise 5 at the end of this section.